So you have just bought iZotope RX11 audio editor for this really nice price that it is. And when you open it up for the first time, you get this, and let's drag something inside. And then you hear this. And you go through the sound. And you go to the initial file to check if the audio is broken, so you listen to it. So we can hear that the sound is not broken in the initial file, but in iZotope, it's broken. So what I found is that if you go to control panel with the Windows key and R and just type control and go to hardware and sound, and then either if you use headphones, you're gonna use headphones properties, but for now we are using the speakers. So I'm going here to properties, advanced, and enable audio enhancements. Apply. Okay. And now we hear that it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I wish you the best. Goodbye.